Okay, so in today's lesson we're going to look at the riff for Livin on a Prayer by Bon Jovi. Quite a nice riff for getting used to higher areas of the fretboard and also for linking in riffs and chords. So we're going to start off on the open E string. So I'm using my thumb to play that note. And I'm using my first finger to play 7th fret of A. Then I leap that third finger up to the E string fret 7. And then the 5th fret of the A. So the first 4 notes. So it's just jumping that third finger up. So next 4, we have open E twice, 7th fret of E once, 5th fret of A once. So first half, second half. Okay, so if you put that together, you've got an 8-note phrase. So that loops round 4 times, and then we hit some chords. So we go to C major, and then D major. And then we're back to that main phrase again. Back to the chords. Back to the phrase. Okay, so best way to remember it is you're playing through the phrase 4 times round, then you're hitting the chords C, D, then the phrase twice, then the chords again. So the whole thing would sound like this. There we go.
We really hope that you've enjoyed this video. If you want to learn more about the ukulele, remember to like and subscribe to our channel. You can also take the next step on your ukulele quest with our fun method book. The Ukulele Quest is available worldwide, and you can find a link to this in the description below.